How's it going, everybody? We're gonna do a fuel filter delete. So I've got my FASS fuel filter here, delete setup. Obviously, most of you guys will know, but this is for the new guys who didn't know, kind of like me, until I looked it up. So this is for, this hole comes pre-threaded. Obviously, when measure fuel pressure or flow, that's for. So, and then but it comes with obviously a little screw you can screw in there and tighten it in. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. All you're doing is taking the old filter off, and that filter is on this right here. And then I'm going to disconnect the wiring harness here, unscrew the filter. It'll be full of diesel, obviously. Drain that out, take the bottom off, and then inside, I'll show you in a second, the check valve. You'll want to take some 20 torque screw bit to those 2 screws, pull them out, pull that off, pull the check valve out, and then put the plate back in with the screws, and pretty much good to go. So take this clip off first, get this out of the way. Waste of diesel. Well, no, hardly any diesel spill. Look at that. Take this bottom off. Bottom sensor. And all the rest of it. Okay, balls out and spring. Alright. The bottom wiring harness on. And obviously it's always good practice to lube up that rubber gasket. If you don't, it could still leak on you and you rip it or tear it, or really jack it up, which is not what you want. See if I can get this big enough here. Okay. And same thing with the basically all the parts, all the gaskets on there. Just pre-lube them, and then don't overdo it, don't over tighten it. That will also make it leak. So pretty simple, guys. I mean, pretty straightforward. Most of you will know this anyways, but for all the newbies out there like me, I didn't know this, and it's pretty easy. I'm decent with my hands. but it's always a new experience doing it for yourself, so not bad. Okay, so for one guy, it's a pain in the butt. You gotta do it if you're doing it by yourself. Just turn the key. There's a bleeder switch. Spin that. Wait till fluid starts coming out, which it just did. I have some air in the lines. I turn it on before the bleeder switches. Push on that. That is tight. All right. Tighten her up. Flip her on. Copyright. Okay, got her running. Let's see if she dies. Let's see if she finds some air. Alright, so I've run her for a few minutes. No shut off, so there's nothing, no air in the lines. And no check engine light, no codes. We are good